Rainbow Kids Channel.
Hello friends. Today we're going to learn about the different types of weather. Are you ready? Let's go. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and it's warm and bright. Perfect for playing outside or having a picnic. First, we have a sunny day. Look at the raindrops falling. Don't forget your raincoat and umbrella if you're going outside. Rain helps plants grow and keeps the earth fresh. Next is a rainy day. The sky is dark, the wind is strong, and we can hear thunder and see lightning. It's best to stay safe indoors during a storm. Uh-oh, here comes a stormy day. The world looks like a winter wonderland. It's cold outside, so bundle up before building a snowman or having a snowball fight. And finally, we have a snowy day.
Rainbow Kids Channel.